What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to do what I believe is my first unboxing ever on YouTube. We're going to open up my brand new Switch. It is the Ubiquiti Unifi 24 port PoE Switch. This is going to be replacing the Cisco business class that I have currently. It's also a 24 port. I don't think I'll have a need anytime soon for more ports, but I did want PoE, and this is probably hands down about the best you can get for the price. This bad boy here runs just under $400 over at Micro Center. Most places I found it online actually costed a little bit more than that, so even after tax I came out ahead. So if you got a Micro Center nearby and you want one, might be worth checking out. So, I mean, the actual box itself, I mean, it's pretty standard stuff, kind of talking about what Unifi has to say about it, at least, or Ubiquiti has to say about it. I'll go over this for anybody who wants to read it. Feel free to pause it, check it out. But, pretty decent packaging on the outside. I mean, this is kind of considered more of an enterprise, small business kind of product. So, most of the packaging, other than the little slip cover, is pretty basic. Inside, you got a little accessory pouch here, mounting screws and fasteners for a rack, little quick start guide, it looks like. Yeah, quick start guide for getting it set up. Power cable, of course. And I think that's about it. This is some little stickers attached. And of course, hard to do this one-handed. The actual Switch itself. So, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say about it. I mean, it's a Switch, as far as the outside goes, they all pretty much look the same for the most part. A couple fans, power, console port, which, to be perfectly honest, I don't know anybody who's ever actually had to use console port on any modern Switches. A couple more fan vents. That's about it. Other than that, it's a big metal box with goodies inside. So that's it. I mean, it's just, like I said, a quick little unboxing video. We'll get some more stuff going on here pretty soon. We're gonna shove it in the rack and get her all set up and get that old Cisco unit out of there. So that should be fun. It'll be exciting. I might make a video of some of that too. I haven't decided yet, but more to come. Thank you, and you guys have yourselves a good one.